Experience a stay where every day is shaped by the land and its people. High in Bali's cool highlands, Bagus Agro Pelaga offers more than rest. It offers connection. This two-night experience combines comfort with authentic farm life, morning coffee with farmers, hands-on sustainability activities, cultural learning, and the sacred Mapag Toya ceremony before planting. Each moment is designed to connect you with the land, people, and rhythm of nature. Discover meaningful stays rooted in DOS sustainability at Bagus Agro Pelaga.